Google just dropped 3 new things at once: a new brand app, a new brand model, and a brand new CLI. And if you are using AntiGravity right now, your app just split in two. So let me just explain what happened and how to set up everything back again. The new Gemini 3.5 is 4 times faster than Pro, and it's actually better at benchmarks. And I'm gonna walk you through this new update and show you what's working now and how to actually use it. So let's just get started. So the AntiGravity 2.0 plus Gemini 3.5 Flash. Google just shipped 3 updates at once, and here's what changed, what it means for your workflow, and how to use the new Gemini inside Claude Code. So just take a quick look at this example. The Gemini 3.5 Flash is 4 times faster and 40 times cheaper, and it also beats the Pro version. And the AntiGravity 2.0 is the parallel agents, Google only, and it's a new app. So if you are using AntiGravity, you might have seen that it has changed. You don't have the same app as before, and now it's just looking like a Claude Code in reality. And the Gemini CLI just got replaced by AntiGravity CLI. So let me just walk you through everything. So 3 updates in one day. So the Gemini 3.5 Flash is the new sweet spot. It has a lot of speed. It's also very intelligent. It's 4 times faster than old Flash, and it's also 40% cheaper than the Pro version. So it's the best model to use on AntiGravity right now because they also increased the usage of it. So then moving on to the AntiGravity 2.0. So it's a completely new app focused on parallel agents. So multiple Gemini sub-agents running simultaneously. But it has just one big flaw. It only uses the Google model. So for example, if you want to use the Claude Code 2, if you want to use the Codex, for example, the ChatGPT, you will not be able to use it in the new AntiGravity app. And also one new thing is the AntiGravity CLI. The old one, Gemini CLI, just got replaced by AntiGravity one. So let's just take a quick look at the example of these two versions, the AntiGravity 2.0 and the AntiGravity IDE. So the AntiGravity 2.0 is the downgrade. If you take a look at this example, the AntiGravity 2.0, the new version of AntiGravity has parallel sub-agents, for example like 3 or 5 at once, but it's only Google models. Next thing, it has scheduled tasks, it has voice input and artifact viewer, but it has no terminal, it has no Claude Code, no ChatGPT, and no other extensions, and Google models only. On the other hand, the AntiGravity IDE, the multi-model terminal, has full terminal access, has Claude Code integration, has ChatGPT, has Gemini, and DeepSeek, extensions ecosystem, multi-brain workflows, and skills and plugins, so it's 10 times better. And if you want to find it, how to actually download it, I'm going to show you in a second. And moving on, my recommendation is to download the old AntiGravity model because the new one has not so much capabilities. It's good, but I just highly suggest getting the old one. So the Gemini 3.5 Flash, I'm gonna show you the numbers of it. So old Flash, it was fast, but it was very weak. It couldn't complete very complex tasks. The Gemini Pro is smart, but it's also very slow. When you give a hard prompt, it takes 5 minutes for you to actually see some results. And the new version, the 3.5 Flash, is also very fast and it's very smart. It's even smarter than the Gemini Pro. So 4 times faster, 40% cheaper. It has 1 million token context window and it beats Pro on MCP Atlas. So here's the new workflow, the multi-brain unlock. The real power, this is the Gemini 3.5 Flash. So take a look at this example. If you're using Cloud as the orchestrator, so it builds the final output, then delegates tasks to the Gemini 3.5 via AntiGravity CLI, so it spawns sub-agents for parallel research. So the agents would be research agent, design agent, and data agent, and returns the final output. So Claude Code builds, Gemini researches, and GPT reviews. This is the best thing to use these 3 models at the moment right now. So if you're just updated your app, you might be able to see if I open up the AntiGravity, it's gonna be this white now logo. And if I take a look at this inside, it actually kind of looks like Claude Code at the moment. So this is the new version of the AntiGravity, and it's kind of bad because, like, yeah, as you can see, you can use these models, but it has no terminal. It looks very simple, and it's not like AntiGravity used to look like this before. So let's just close it. And if you go on Google's AntiGravity site, as you can see, you can download it, but it's gonna be the new version. If you scroll down, as you can see, it shows AntiGravity 2.0, nothing to mention about the old version of AntiGravity. So how do you actually find it? It's very simple. Just go on Google, type AntiGravity, and just type IDE and type IDE. So if you go on here, as you can see, AntiGravity IDE. So Google's AntiGravity editor view offers tap auto completion, natural language, code comments, and all the other good things. So if you want to use the old version, just click on here, download, and you can download AntiGravity through here. So I'm going to use Apple, so I'm just downloading right here. And once you download it, as you can see, it's called AntiGravity IDE, and it's completely old version of AntiGravity. So don't be panicked if you just updated your AntiGravity app and you lost this old version of your app. It's actually accessible, you just have to download the old version from the Googles. So when you download it, you will still have access to all the extensions, to all the MCP servers and everything. So it's not the end of the world. If you want to complete your work, just go on here. So when you open it up, you only need to log in. So click this button, then continue with Google account. And once you sign in, you just have to open it up. As you can see, it's like before. Just continue on next. And now we can see the new model. So if you look at here, you can find the Gemini 3.5 Flash. It's on the high and it's on limited time. So also you can find the medium one and of course the older versions, the Gemini 3.1 Pro and the GPT and Cloud Opus. So if you want to test out the Gemini 3.5 capabilities, you could just write a task to make a website. So let me just give you a quick example on how fast it is. How faster Gemini 3.5 is than 3.1 Pro. I'm just gonna give it this prompt. I'm using the higher version, so it's working, searching, it's going on Google, and it's gonna be like 40% faster than the Pro version. And as you can see, we got a full reasoning. The Gemini 3.5 Flash, okay, it's 4 times faster. As you can see, it's 4 times faster than the Pro version. And I just got this answer so quickly. It actually went on Google, it researched it. And for example, if you're building a project, if you're building a SaaS app, if you're building a website, it's gonna take you less time to build it now. And also you can prompt it even more because the limit has just increased. So it's a big win for us, guys. If you want to keep scaling, just ditch the AntiGravity new version, go back to the old one and use it like before. So thank you guys for watching. This is going to be a quick video. I just wanted to show you the new capabilities of AntiGravity and why you should ditch it and switch to the older version of AntiGravity. So don't get panicked, just download the old version and everything's going to be fine. So thank you guys for watching and I hope to see you in the next one.